primary role is, of course, to execute this strategy by anticipating what all are the possible challenges and what are the strengths of the organization, what is the potential market, how do we leverage the technology, and also to implement OKRs and CFRs, which are actually the objective key results, and also having conversations, right amount of feedback, and working on those in order to ensure that the growth is in the right direction. Microsoft applications, business applications, Azure, which is for infrastructure services. We have Modern Workplace, which offers solution on communication and collaboration. And then we have business applications, which are customized solutions. We offer solutions which include Modern Workplace for communication and collaboration, business applications for operational excellence, and Microsoft Azure for infrastructure services. While the lockdown was on, complete lockdown was on, that time we introduced quite a few initiatives. One was weekly communication and calls with all the employees at de facto. We made sure that we were speaking to them if they're having any internet challenges, or there is they're feeling lonely, or there are anxiety issues. We also got a psychologist, we had sort of a virtual town hall via Teams, and we even sponsored internet connections as well as Netflix, so that our employees, when they're feeling bored or their anxiety, they can be entertained. We introduced certain contests, like we had quiz competitions and interactive sessions. There were also some learning sessions that we had, and quite a few inspirational emails went from my desk, and also precautionary measures, because the first thing was about health and safety. We wanted safety, whether it's mental safety, whether it's physical safety. So there were a lot of mailers around that. And when the lockdown was announced, we got like 4 hours. So we made sure that in those 4 hours, whosoever didn't have a laptop with them, we provided them, either with laptops, or we actually transported desktop to their home, so that there is continuity of work. So, and there were few employees who were staying as paying guests. So for them, we made sure that they have food and other facilities. Go to our resources for any good references, or we go to our vendors. We also subcontract and engage freelancers. We go to different markets, catering to different geographical needs. And like I said, you can work anywhere across the globe using our customized solutions, and for any industry, whether it is retail, manufacturing, transportation, healthcare, pharma, education. There is not an industry that this product cannot cater to. We have a selected niche set of partners who complement us in providing services. So, we always see that, what will fit within our cost, and also what would be a good value add to our clients. So that is the criteria for choosing partners, because we don't want to have a partner who does not ideologically, align to us, because that way, we would not be able to, cater to our customer. Have to be viable with the business requirement and have to be profitable for us. So those are some of the terms and conditions. We worked sometimes on time and material model, sometimes on fixed price model. Communication, clarity, engagement, regular feedback, some of the initiatives that we deploy. CFR, that is continuous communication. There is feedback, and then there is recognition. That's the concept of CFR, and that is what we use whether we're talking to our customers or whether we are talking to our employees. Planning and execution is one thing that is key for us, and enablement of resources, whether it is a man resource we're talking about or material resource we're talking about. So that is something that we focus on. We keep reiterating on our mission and vision, because if our employees are not aligned to the mission and vision, then we will not be able to attain it, of course. And everybody is contributing to the mission and vision, so they need to be aligned. So we keep reiterating it, and we keep doing the check whether we are aligned, whether we're going in the right direction. And as a chief strategy officer, that is where my role comes into. Networking is one thing that we do on a regular basis. We are part of different groups, whether it's the Microsoft group or HR group or industry partners. When we interview and we get resources, that's also a good mode of benchmarking what our competitors are offering. Of course, we also have a very dedicated learning and development program so that our resources are competitive and we can benchmark their competence against other companies. We have given relaxation and ease to our customers in terms of payments. We want to tap in on the plethora or the wide scope of service client base that we have. Like I said, this product is such that it is not dependent on any particular area of an employee's life cycle, or whether operating a business. You can deploy it everywhere, and it is ease of solution for everything. Whether somebody's trying to introduce digital transformation because that is a necessity now, or whether they're trying to streamline, we offer innovative technical solutions. So from de facto perspective, that is a go-to-market strategy. We want to tap the big potential. Right now, at the moment, we are serving clients globally through our offices from US, Australia, and India. And now we want to expand our base and maybe take it to other geographies, as well as also tie up with our like-minded partners and in India as well, and maybe tap on more on the domestic market, because at the moment we've been catering specifically to the international market.